As you all know, in my last video, I have shown you how to make the origami T-Rex. So today I am going to be showing you how to make the origami Brachiosaurus. Let's see what we'll need. The only thing you will need is one square piece of paper. Let's get started. So first you need to take one edge and then fold it into a triangle. Now do the next side. After you unfolded it, fold it like this. Then it should look like half a kite. Then do the next side. Unfold, then flip it backwards, and after you flipped it backwards you should see one side, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and then there'll be 2 here and then another one in the middle, and you need to fold it like this. And then do it on the other side. And then it should look like this. So since it looks like this, there might be one line here that's going outside of the shape in the back. So with that line, you need to fold it like this. Then do the same on the other side. After you've done this, you need to take the edge here and fold it this way. And do the other side. And then unfold it, and then you might see a straight line here. Then take a ruler or a stick and then line it there, and then fold this directly like that. And make sure to crease it hardly. Unfold, and then keep your stick or ruler to the side. Then you need to unfold this flap and then fold it like that. And then do the same on the other side. Then, since there will be 2 lines, fold it like this. Make sure it's pointy. And then do it on the other side too. Then unfold a bit, then take your rulers and or stick again, and then do the exact same process. Like then you will see a pocket here, and then fold it like that. Then open the other fold on the other side, and then do the exact same thing. Then afterwards you need to flip it backwards and then do a sandwich fold. What I mean is that you fold it in half. And then after you fold it in half, you need to turn it like this. And then you will see two triangle flaps like this. Flap it like that, and then there will be a line here. With that line, you need to take the long part. You need to fold it to that line. And then you need to flip it over to the top and then open it up like this. And then you will see two lines here, and then fold it inside. And then like that. And then you need to unfold this and then fold it like that. And then do the same for the other side. Then fold it over and then do the same flap. Do the same flap again. Then for the head, you need to fold it in like that. After you finished making your Brachiosaurus, try it out to see if it stands. If it doesn't stand, then adjust the legs a bit outwards, or you can just make a tiny snip on the tail, and then move the tail a tiny bit towards the ground. Thank you for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until we meet again, bye and have a lovely day.